What's happening, fellow model builders, glue sniffers, and paint hovers? Ed, Bob's Hobby Shop in RC. So, I'm gonna show you guys my entry to Joe and Tiffany's group build. I'm gonna join in on it. So it's April to November. So show you guys what I'm gonna build, and hopefully it's cool with Joe. I guess mine would be a fantasy, but I'll show you guys, and we're gonna go from there, man. So sit down, hold on, and we're gonna hit it. Take 3. Okay, so this is it. This is the one that this is the videos that's getting posted. So this crumpy box is my entry to Joe's and Tiffany's group build. It's the Glorydays one, so I'm gonna do a make-believe one. So yeah, it's this, and this is the original kit as well. So this was one of my Pop's kits, and I got it back when I was younger and just didn't care. But yeah, I believe this is the, I forgot what year, I think it's 63. But yeah, this is what I'm building, man. So I see that we can add stuff to it because Joe's changing the engine and stuff like that. So, but yeah, this is it. Final one. Some people are probably like, oh, I can't believe you're gonna build that. Well, that's what I got them for, is to build. I mean, yeah, I collect them too, but this is definitely a builder. Box is trashed. So I thank you guys. Stick around and watch and see where it goes. Thanks, Joe and Tiffany, for holding this, man. You got Big Sky Model Workshop, and you got Dirt Road Cinderella. Go check out their channels. Joe and Tiffany are the ones that are hosting this. So please give me a thumbs up. Got something to say down at the bottom, say it. Good with criticism. I don't care. If it looks like shit, I look like shit, whatever. I'm an asshole. Do that, man. But thank you guys, man.